Ever felt like you're drowning in timesheets, struggling to figure out exactly how long a task took or how many hours are left until a deadline? Today, we're going to master calculating the duration between times in Excel, transforming those messy time entries into clear, actionable durations. This is crucial for everything from billing clients accurately to optimizing your project timelines. Let's get started directly in Excel. First, ensure you have your start and end times entered into separate columns. I've labeled mine start time and end time. Now, we need a place to calculate our duration. I'll create a new column and label it duration. Here's where the magic happens. To calculate the difference, we'll use a simple formula. Click into the first cell of your duration column. Next, you'll subtract your start time cell from your end time cell. For instance, if your start time is in cell B2 and your end time is in cell C2, you'll type equals, then the cell containing your end time, a minus sign, and then the cell containing your start time. Press enter, and you'll see a decimal value. Don't be alarmed by this. Excel stores times as fractions of a day. To make this readable as hours, we need to format it correctly. Right-click on the cell with the duration and select Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Number tab, choose Custom, and in the Type field, enter HM for hours and minutes or HM if you expect the duration to exceed 24 hours. The square brackets around H are important for durations over a day. Click OK, and voila, you'll see the duration clearly displayed in hours and minutes. Now, to apply this to all your time entries, simply click on the bottom right corner of the cell you just formatted, that little square, known as the fill handle, and drag it down to cover all your rows. Excel will automatically adjust the calculations for each line. And just like that, you've got all your time durations calculated accurately. This superpower is invaluable for project management, accurate billing, and keeping your deadlines firmly in sight. Master this, and you'll be a productivity champion.